Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the BlueFire Ultra Slim external DVD drive. So let's go ahead and open up the package. Okay, let's just make sure that there's nothing else left inside the plastic package. And so we're now looking at the external box packaging of the BlueFire Ultra Slim external DVD drive. So it is a rewritable drive as well. So it not just only reads, it does record as well, or write. Okay, so let's take a look around the outside of the box. Obviously some specifications on the back side of it. So it is a plug and play DVD rewritable drive. And it does have an ultra slim design to it. So let's go ahead and open up the box to reveal the contents. And let's proceed by removing and placing the contents on the tabletop. And then we're going to take a close-up look at it once we've removed and placed all the contents on the tabletop. So making sure there's nothing else left inside the box packaging. We can now, of course, set the box aside to one side. So let's go ahead and set it up there. Okay. And then lay everything out in the frame. So it does come with a travel pouch, which is quite interesting to see. So it is definitely meant to be a portable drive. So that's the contents laid out on the tabletop. Let's first take a look at the paperwork that comes with it. So there is a user manual for the BlueFire Ultra Slim external DVD drive. And so it does have a product description there and instructions on how to use it. Okay, so that's the manual covered, nice and simple. That's how easy it is to get the DVD drive working. Let's set the manual to the top for now, right up there. And next thing, it does come with a travel pouch. So it is a polyester pouch with a drawstring toggle to close and lock it up. So nice and simple, obviously making sure that there was nothing inside of it. So that's the carry pouch or travel pouch. Let's just set it partly to the side right there. And of course it does come with some cables. So let's go ahead and open the first packet. So the first packet of cables here is a SATA cable. Okay. USB-B cable. Alright, set that down and move on to the next cable, which is a USB to DC connector cable to power the drive. Okay, so both cables covered. Now let's move on to the drive itself. So it is neatly packed in a plastic wrapper or container. Let's go ahead and open it up. So there we go. The protective plastic package, recyclable, which is nice to see. And now we're looking at the drive itself. So it does have a protective film on it on the top surface and on the underside of the drive. Nice to see 4 round anti-slip silicone feet or pads. And of course we have the USB port as well as the power socket as well. And just to show you the thickness, if I can get the camcorder to focus. It's struggling a bit with the high reflection there. There we go. So just to show you the edge or the sides of the DVD drive. And this is the front side, so it does have a tray that should pop out obviously. And this is the right side to it. And once again the rear and the bottom once again, and giving you a close-up look to the specifications or some technical data right there. So nice and simple, and of course the top side, if we can get it to focus, right there, and the front. So we're looking at the front side of the DVD drive. So let's go ahead and peel this protective sticker off if we can. See if we can find the edge to it. Reveal the nice kind of geometric patterned surface to it, so you can see that it does have some fancy design on the top surface of the drive. So we have a matte, partially matte and polished or high sheen mixture finish right there, half with some sporadic patterning in between. So there we go, a look at the drive in terms of size. So it is fully plastic, there are no metal bits to it, plastic right throughout with an artistic geometric pattern to the top surface. Okay, so that's the BlueFire Ultra Slim DVD drive. Kind of close-up look at it, of course. And there is a eject button at the very top. It appears to be a soft touch button, and there appears to be an LED next to it. So pretty fancy looking portable DVD rewriter drive. Now let's go ahead and of course plug it in and get it running. So let's undo both cables, and of course you can see the cable length as well. So cable length to the power plug and cable length of the USB data cable. Alright, now let's go ahead and plug the cables first to the rear, connect it up to the drive, nice and simple, right there, and the other end of it for the power plug. So very simply connected, fuss-free and straightforward, no confusion there. And then of course let's plug the USB cables into my trusty old Alienware M17X-R3 laptop, which I have to the side right here. Let's do a bit of shifting around. So let me shift some of the packaging around to the side slightly, and then bring the drive in view, or laptop in view, and the drive as well. So let's go ahead and plug it in. So let's do the data cable first. And perhaps we don't even need to plug in the DC plug, since it appears to be powered already. So very simply, let's just leave the other cable in view, unplugged, and let's see how things go with the drive. So right there, with only the data cable plugged in, now let's see if we can eject the drive. So trying to get it in view so you can see what's going on. Obviously the frame is quite limited as to what we can keep in view. Just touch on the eject button. Perhaps need to press it harder right there, or keep it my finger longer or finger down longer. There we go. And the drive popped open right there. So you can see what it looks like plugged in. I'm going to disconnect the DC plug since we do not appear to need it for this current demo right here. Seems to be sufficiently powered with just that USB data cable. So that's the drive right there, giving you a good look. Okay, so nice tray that ejects by pressing and holding. So nice activation there, good strong pop, and that's what the drive looks like. Okay, so giving you a closer look at the tray. And okay, let's pop a DVD in and see if we can get it to spin and load. So I do have the White Lotus Holistic Micro Needling DVD, which I've unboxed a while ago. So let's pop that DVD out and into the tray right there. So it's quite important that the tray does have pressure points or clips to the main spindle, so the CDs or DVDs will actually lock in place without falling off. Okay, so there we go, and let's close the tray door, and you can hear it spin up very quickly, and it does flash a green instead of just red now, green and red. So it is now ready to play. So we can actually play the DVD. And let's go ahead and do that. And so you can hear it spinning away there. And I'm just going to reposition slightly so at least you'll get a partial view of the screen as well. So a little bit of playing around here, but we'll make it work somewhat. Okay, maybe not. But okay, I'll go ahead and play the video just now. And just like that, it plays quite nicely. I'm going to pause it by pressing on the space bar. And just like that, stopped and resume. So pretty simple, straightforward to use, plug and play, no software required to get it working straight off and out of the box. Just like that. Quick and easy. So DVD is playing. I will now stop it. And let's see if we can do a software eject. Okay, and just like that, software eject does respond and recognize it as a standard DVD drive. So there we go. Nice and easy to use this BlueFire ultra slim external DVD drive. Just like that, pop the DVD out, giving you another look at the drive. So there we go. So there's no need for the DC plug at all unless you're running a legacy or slightly underpowered system where you need that extra power source which cannot be supplied through the computer or laptop's data cable. Okay, so I'm just going to reshift and replace and centralize the drive in the middle of the frame right there, so you can once again see what the drive comes with. So user manual, the box, DC plug, as well as a carry pouch. So nice to see that all these items are provided together with the portable DVD drive. So that's the BlueFire Ultra Slim External DVD Drive. Thanks for watching and happy watching!